Hello and welcome. I don't know if you have come across this problem. If you want to type in the equal symbol, what happens is that Excel will interpret that as a start or as the start of a formula. When you click outside of that cell, look at what happens. So if you are struggling to make use of the equal symbol as a text instead of this, there is a very simple way to do that. Okay, how do you resolve this? On your keyboard, here is the apostrophe. What you have to do is to type in the apostrophe first. When you click on a cell, then go for the equal symbol, then click outside of the cell, and you're good to go. We'll have no issue. If you are working on times tables, for example, so we're going to have this 12 times. Okay, let me go increase the size. So here, what you should do here is to use the fill handle. Click on that fill handle and drag it to your desired destination, the last stop. But if you want to center it, you have to highlight all of them, then right click on it and then go for format cells. Then here under alignment, go for indentation. So here I will have to increase that by 2 and it's going to be left indent as you can see here. And when I click OK, we're good to go. So this is how to use the equal symbol without Excel interpreting it as the start of a formula. Thanks for watching and God bless you.